Hey, what up good people? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. Please do consider hitting on that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey, Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so we got another press on nails video today. But before we get into these nails, I'm going to go through my nail removal process and how I get my nails prepped for the next set. Alright y'all, so I got my little water here. I got some warm soapy water here to soak my nails in to get them nice and loose so that I can pop them off. As you can see, this little hand is still all together. And this little hand, not so much. And so I just had a nail pop off today and last night. And that lets me know, yeah, it's about that time. Look, this is loose as well. It's just time. It is time. So we're gonna go ahead and soak these nails off and you know, try to get my natural nails in some decency. Now I'm not like the best manicurist, but I at least prep my nails, you know, to the basic best. How about that? Okay. So if you're wondering about these nails did come from Tailored Tips. I did recently do another nail video on a different set of nails, but these are just as beautiful. Like, I love these too. So I have one more set from Tailored Tips. I ended up buying like 3 different sets of nails. So this was the second pair, so I have one more to go. All right, so let's just go ahead. I'm gonna soak these in this water or soak my nails for about 10 minutes. So I won't like hold you here during my soaking time, but we'll come back and then we'll start, you know, trying to get these nails off and seeing if they'll lift up. In addition to that, I do like to use my little Kiss glue off to help loosen up the glue. I'm just gonna try to seep some of this like on the sides, you know, try to get as much as I can underneath each nail of this glue off to make the process a lot easier. All right, so let's get into it. All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna go in with this cuticle oil that I absolutely love. It has such a nice pomegranate scent. I love this stuff. I got it off of Amazon, so I will be sure to link it down below. I'm just gonna put this on my cuticles, soak a little bit more, and then push my cuticles back. That's what we're gonna be doing. Massage that in to each nail. And just soak for like another minute, just to soften them up some more with the oil. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry that off a little and take my cuticle pusher here. Also, I think I got this whole little set from Amazon and just push my cuticles back. My cuticles are now pushed back. Now I'm gonna take my little handy dandy drill set. Also got this off of Amazon. It's called Beauty Touch Essentials. Let me move this water out of the way before it falls in it. And it has the different little drill heads. But I typically like to just use the regular sander here. And it is battery operated. You don't need to charge it or anything. Just change the battery. And now we're just gonna buff out each of my nails. Now I'm just gonna file them all the way down because I feel like if all I wear are press-ons, there's no need for me to allow them to grow, because when they're longer under press-ons, I mean, sometimes or most times the press-on nails are gonna just kind of pull them off when you take them off anyway. So I don't even bother with trying to, you know, just let them grow. Now once I'm tired of press-on nails and I'm ready to, you know, go back to the nail salon and get my actual nails done, then, you know, I'll worry about that then. But right now, I'm living a press-on life and it does not require me to allow my nails to grow. So I filed them all the way down. Okay, now I'm just gonna add a little bit more oil before I wash my hands, and then we'll pretty much be all done with the in-home manicure. So yes, just gonna wash my hands and I'll be right back. All right, so this is basically the result of how I take my press-on nails off, clean my nails, and get them prepped for a new set. I mean, this is very basic, in my opinion, in my way of doing my own manicure. It may not be the same way others do theirs, but it's very simplistic for me. It doesn't take a whole lot for me. It's just basically cleaning the nail, getting the cuticles pushed back, you know, filing the nails down, and there you have it. Just ready for a new set. So now we're good to go. So again, this is from Press Nails and Beauty, and she has like a little nails, a loyalty card. Not really sure how that will work, but, and then like a little instruction card, which is cute. Front and back, some wet wipes, some glue, and a buffer. So let's get to the nails. Now it looks as though they didn't all stay on the track, but here they are. And I actually like that she provided more than I needed. I don't know why that matters to me so much, but it does. I just feel like I feel better knowing I have options if, you know, a nail doesn't quite fit or what have you. So yeah, it gives me a little better peace of mind. I'm just like picking up these little pieces that fell out so that I can give you a proper show of what these nails look like. Well, this one doesn't really go anywhere. I don't see a slot, but I'm just gonna stick it there. So these are the nails. Super cute, right? very Valentine's friendly. Now, the only thing though, I requested medium coffin, and I feel like these are more short coffin. What do you think? And she asked me, you know, once she had them done, you know, was this okay? And they are. I just feel like it's, you know, I did ask for medium, which I feel like is a little longer, but I wasn't about to have her go through and make these all over again. So, you know, I'll live with it. Actually, it'll help my typing life a lot more anyway, so whatever. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go through sizing the nails to see which ones fit. And when I'm measuring, of course, I'm looking on both sides to make sure none of my nails are peeping out. Like that one works perfectly. All right, so my nails are now separated. And then we can go ahead and dive into this application process. Let's go ahead and get these nails applied. I'm gonna go ahead and open this little towelette that she included, because normally I would have like a wet rag or paper towel nearby, just something to kind of wipe away any kind of excess glue you may come across. I haven't got my nails done since the pandemic, and so this is what I do now. This is life. This is nail life. So first I'm gonna take a little buffer that she sent and just go over my nails. Let me try to stay off of the actual press-on nails. But you know, just to give the surface some texture to grip to so that the nails can grip to. Alright, so like in the last video, I like to use this nail glue brush on my nails first before applying the actual glue to the nail. She did send a nail glue, but I always like to just use what I have left from the previous nail application, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive in. I'm just going to apply this nail glue with the brush onto my nails first. It just makes things a little bit easier. That was kind of a lot. Just makes things, it makes it easier for the nail to apply. So I don't put a whole lot in this nail, just like a pinch. That was kind of a lot. I apologize. That was actually really a lot. I didn't mean to do that. So I'm just gonna try to blow some of that dry, because that's quite a bit. And this is where I run out of patience, so I won't even allow one or the other to dry. I have to apply. So let's go ahead and get applying. Pushing my cuticle back and pressing down. Oh, look at that. I done took off the whole jewel. Oh my goodness, this is not a good start, y'all. This is not a good start. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna carry on. That's what I do. Alright, so I'm going to stop talking and go ahead and just go through finishing the rest of my nails to kind of speed this up, but you get the idea. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so I have all of the nails applied. I'm gonna be honest, I had a couple of mishaps with some glue getting on top of the nail. So I gotta like put this, you know, little oil on here and try to get that off of these 2 nails. Like, I don't know, I had such a rough start. The rest worked out just fine. Yeah, so yeah, these 2 nails were a little bit of a struggle bus, but that's okay. We're gonna get this little good cuticle oil on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of this on each nail. I'm like specifically applying it to the nail where that glue mishap happened. Try to clear some of that up. I'm just gonna massage that in so we can get rid of some of this glue and just, you know, we don't have no ashy cuticles with the nail. That's the whole point of this. And I'm probably gonna wait about 30 minutes to an hour before I wash my hands, because it's best that you don't wash your hands like after the first hour that you first put them on, so that they stay and remain adhered for at least 10 to 14 days. That's my goal. I usually can get them to last for about 10 to 14 days, y'all. So I'll be back with a final look after I wash my hands after an hour. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. These are the nails by Pressed Nails and Beauty. Very cute, very pretty for Valentine's Day. Now, I almost didn't like how these like weren't the same, but you know, I had to live with it. Still super cute, very short and comfortable length. I like them. Y'all let me know what you think about them down in the comments below. I will leave all of her information down in the description box below, so feel free to check her out. This is yet another small Black business spotlight. I thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.